just me, myself, and this blunt. Ayy.
Pass the Gucci from the left hand side. Pass the Gucci from the left hand side. It's gonna van. It a go done.
Yer, what's good? It's Dutchie Monroe, and I would like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for whenever I post another video. You will be notified. Oh yeah. Guys, I think it's time for me to hit y'all with another hairstyle video. For the last 2 or 3 months, I've been rocking my plaits and going about my business. Now, I wanted to switch it up for you guys and give y'all something a little different from me and my wash day videos. So I just finished washing my hair with my DIY avocado deep conditioner. I needed a little moisturizing boost to my hair, and I had some extra avocados that I didn't want to waste, and I said, hell, why not, you know? Since I didn't actually use a brand for the conditioner, I went ahead and used Dr. Bronner's soap for the shampoo, and now I'm going to go in with the Renpure leave-in conditioner. I got this off of Amazon randomly shopping, and I saw this product somewhere before, and it was also on sale, so I impulsively brought it knowing damn well I don't need not one more product, period. I also have many other brands that I haven't even gotten to open, and I went ahead and brought this because it was on sale. Nonetheless, I tried it out once I got it on one strand of hair after spraying a little bit of water, and I loved the moisture. I really wanted to see the effects it had on my whole entire head. So not only am I coming to you with a new style video, but I am also using a new product. So y'all getting a 2-in-1, baby. Now, I'm stumped on whether I wanted to add a curl cream or a twist cream to this for multiple reasons. First, all I have for this brand is the leave-in conditioner, which means I don't know if this will work with other brands' curl creams. Second, if I have all this moisture, I feel that the style I'm going to do will end up coming out wrong. And third, I kind of want to use a gel and make sure I keep this style for the next week at least. I decided to try out Cantu's cream gel on the back of my hand, mixed it in with the Renpure leave-in, and it didn't become clumpy, so I felt like it wasn't going to flake. I decided to use this because it takes the time out from having to apply a cream and then a gel. I tried Miche Beauty's Twist Cream along with Style Factor's gel, and that became clumpy, so I thought, let me kill two birds with one stone and use this cream gel combo. I also know that this cream gel does the job when I need it, so I'm confident my style is going to come out good. And with that, the style that I'm going to do, which is obviously stated in the title, Bantu nuts. I haven't done these in a long time, and well, it's about time to switch it up. I think the last time I actually did this style was around the same time last year. The date I'm recording this now is November 12th, and I think for my actual birthday, the 23rd, I did the Bantu knots last year. So let's get into this process, and when I finish, I think I might just sit under the dryer for a little bit, take the knots out the next day, and come back and show you guys the results.
I ain't about that jump.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm walking. Woo! Okay. My hair is all finished and done. So, couple things here, real quick, before I jump into ending this video. It's snowing outside. I mean, inside on my head, cause I don't know what happened. I don't know where these flakes came from. I did the test on the back of my hand. The shit came out smooth. I don't know. So that was the first time me doing that test too. So I figure that maybe that little thing where people test the products on the back of their hand, it ain't always gonna work out too well. That's just my opinion. Now, I like my hair, so I'm gonna keep it like this until I have to do it for my birthday, which is after next week. Well, sometime during this week, like Thursday or Friday, I'm doing my hair. I'm gonna just leave it like this, wash it out, and keep on going. The flakes is horrible, but you don't see them on the camera. Nope. And I'm not going outside because quarantine's about to jump back into play. So here I am, looking good, nowhere to go. Yeah. Took me about, what, 20 minutes to take my hair out. Did a couple of TikTok videos. Go follow me on TikTok. My hair is shaking, moving, and grooving, as y'all can see. I don't know what really happened to my curls. As y'all saw, I put rubber bands to hold my Bantus in place. I don't know. I don't know. I had one of them moments like, oh, please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. But it's not. It's not. I could deal with this. I like this. I like my hair like this. I expect Bantu knots to come out a little more frizzier. My hair was very defined. It was easy for me to find my clumps and separate. I just don't know. I don't know what happened with the flakage. But all in all, this was a good to go. It's a good to go style. You know what I'm saying? So with that, I think I should wrap up this video. So boom, that is all. That is it. Leave a comment on if you ever use the leave-in conditioner that I use. If you ever have a request on hairstyles for hair that is 4C, that isn't using extensions and other products and stuff, come to me, okay? I don't do many wash and goes, but I do want to get into filming more hairstyles for you guys. Even if I am searching sometimes for hairstyles without added hair my damn self, I want to do more for y'all. Either way, thanks for always watching, and take this affirmation, of course, with you guys. Listen and open up to the messages the universe has to offer today. In other words, baby, live your best life. Till the next time, later.